Hi everyone, I'm now officially on annual leave, but one of the things I forgot to do before I left the office was to leave you all with a bit of a message and to let you know who's backfilling for Hubs and TPRS and Skills. For Hubs, Amber is your backfill and your go-to person. Not that I need to worry too much, because I know you're all very well self-sufficient and capable, but if there is anything that you require urgently or assistance with whilst I'm on leave, then please don't hesitate to contact Amber. For Geraldine and Loretta, your contact person will be Deb Russell. So Deb will be there if you need anything or got any questions, and she'll be able to assist you with that. For Neil's non-interest loan scheme, that'll be Krista. Krista's got that all in hand. So has Rose in Denny if you can't get onto Krista, because Krista's only there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. My brain's already in annual leave mode, as you can tell. I don't think there's anything else that I need to tell you or I've forgotten to tell you, other than I hope you have a good week, and I'll be back on Tuesday the 23rd, where I'll be heading to Griffith for a back to school day in Pioneer. And I don't know that, I'm just trying to think, have I forgotten anything? It's like leaving my children behind, isn't it? But no, I don't think I've forgotten to tell you anything or that I should have done, and if I have, I apologise. And I look forward to seeing you all when I return. Bye.